So we're in the Coachmen Nova 20C. Besides it having the power couch in the back, making it unique, one of the other things that truly is unique, the only ProMaster Class B RV with a full-size fridge. This is a 7.3 cubic foot NovaCool fridge with a freezer sliding drawer. I know I said it earlier, but I can fit a lot of Ben & Jerry's ice cream in that freezer. This is one of the things, Coachmen always fits a lot of stuff into a small package. That's what we love about Class B RVs. You can fit a lot of stuff into this small package of a Class B RV van. Coachmen Class Bs are definitely on the edge of bringing you guys some great stuff.